Look at that, 6:21, same day, can you believe it? I got it done. It poured, it rained, it lightninged, it thundered, it hailed, and I kept working underneath this tree, underneath the overhang. I told my wife I'd get it done, and by golly, I'm getting it done. And I got it done. I've got this all lined up. It even rained. The downspout filled up with water. That thing's got water in it right after I put this in. Got that all lined up, all hooked up. This put in. I put it in, I measured it, and then I eyeballed it, and then I had to raise it up just a hair to then get it to flow out, as my eyeball would say. And I couldn't push this down any further, and I don't want to get that down any further because I'll have to put decomposed granite there and then go down to, that's almost as high as the decomposed granite right there, and I may have to lower that just a hair later on. I don't know. I put a pile of dirt on it because I don't want it to bounce up, and I got that, and I put the rocks around it for the time being. Okay, once I get the weed block, I'll put the weed block around there and then notch it around that, and then have this all piled up with rocks, and I'll probably have the rocks come out like that, you know. And I didn't compact it all the way on the top, but it's enough. When I get back in a week, I'll really compact it nice along there, shovel some more dirt over in there, get these rocks pushed over there and stuff. I still have to have a little bit of dirt here for my drip irrigation pipe. I'll have to clean that out, zip it out over there, move this dirt over, zip it out, so I can look and see where the piping is going, and see how it's raised up right there. That's okay. I'll have to dig it down, and then I'll push it down in there. This one's going way down, and it zips around this way, and I think it goes back. I think it comes out of that box. That's what's happening. I think going like that, and then circling around, and then going over there, and somewhere along in here it tees off. It tees off, because see, here's the pipe, there's a pipe, everywhere pipe. Here's another one here, and I'll dig all that stuff out to see where all that stuff's going next time. Okay, little by little, I'm getting it. I am getting it. Okay, I hope you learned something on this video series so far. Hey, that's all I got for this time. Whew. But I'll be back with more videos, and I don't know about you, but I'm tired. I'm gonna take a shower, and then it's time to eat. See you next time.